Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. Man, the year's going by. It's going to be Thanksgiving next week. I don't know where this year went. Just went by, just day by day, trading day by day. Speaking of which, here are yesterday's charts and the trades that we took yesterday. Ended up with four trades for plus 81. Great way to start a Monday. Had a beautiful swing high right from the beginning, followed by a nice sell off, then some sideways movement, and then some continued sell off, and then another massive swing high after we got off of the session. So I hope if you were trading, you took advantage of that and was able to profit from that. So ended up four trades plus 81 yesterday. So good day yesterday. And Q closed at 603.74, currently sitting at 599.49, which means we have a gap play. And the gap fill and trigger is not too far away. Will be 599.86. Let me write that down. 599.86 will be our gap fill and trigger. And let's move forward to real time. There we go. Let's get rid of something over here. Let's go over to the option chain where, again, we have a lot of pre-market volume. We already have 2.778 million shares traded in pre-market trading, which is good for us. We love to see that high volume to start with. Usually means we get good price movement during the regular session. So they, of course, are way out of whack. Our strikes are way out of whack right now. They're way out of balance. So when we start the session, we will tell you which strikes we're going to be at to start with. And with that, I'm going to say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, I was able to close that put trade out 2 minutes after we got off the market or off the Zoom call for a 42-cent gain, up 36 cents in the morning. I did two trades later in the afternoon, not on those big swings, but on some minor swings, up another 27 cents, so up 63 cents on seven trades yesterday. This morning, a number of reports still aren't coming out because the government was shut down. They haven't had time to generate the reports, but we will have factory order numbers coming out at 10 o'clock, as well as a housing market index at 10. And then followed by two of the Fed members, one speaking at 10:30, one speaking at 11. And that's about it there. Just a reminder, NVIDIA reports tomorrow after the market closes on their third quarter earnings. And everybody's a little nervous about that. So that's NVIDIA has been leading the tech sell-off here the last couple of days. And I'll be trading today's expiration with Tim today. And I think that's about it at the moment.
Okay. Yeah, prices, thank you, sir, for the
Yep.
report. Prices, you can see, has fallen below 600 again. So we've had quite a bit of sell-off here to get below 600. We got less than 30 seconds to go. Make sure you've got 20 cents between each of your hash marks. So we're always looking at the same size candles from day to day. Always handy and good to do. All right, there's 10 seconds. Stand by, everybody. Here we go in 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. So Dow is down 464, 469, 475. NASDAQ is down 135 and S&P is down 36. So we are starting with a down market in the broader indices.
trying to fill the gap there, but being in the first 5 minutes, we won't trade this.
Right. And it has filled the gap, but like Keith just said, we're not going to do anything in the first five.
The moment we have the 1 minute MACDs crossed over going up, as well as the 5 minute crossed over trying to go up. Both of them are just about mid-range. And that changes it the other direction. Market maker trying to move things both ways and see where he can get some movement going.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, price is rising. It's kind of stopped right now.
It's pulled back quite strongly there.
Yeah. Price heading down now.
One-minute MACD's down around minus 0.5.
Wow, price is falling off here pretty quickly.
Now it's jumping back up. Wow. Talk about some radical moves.
Mm-hmm. And this is one of the reasons we don't do anything in the first five, at least in the first five. We let this kind of craziness go by until we start seeing trends set up.
Your charts are quite a bit different than mine, Tim.
Really?
I don't know what's going on there.
Huh.
On your 1 minute chart, at least. No, both your charts are quite a bit different than mine.
Oh, that's odd.
Huh. Try to reload mine.
Yeah, it could be mine. Price is rising here pretty quickly after that little. We're in the fourth minute. Let's go over the option chain now. You can see things are pretty expensive. Probably start at the 5.99 on the call side. Oh, I don't want to go into $5 and the 604 on the put side. You can go, at the money. You don't have to go that far up in Delta. Uh-oh.
That's me. I'm trying to reset it.
Oh, it's filling or reloading all those old trades, huh?
Yes. I don't know. What's going on here?
Uh-oh. Didn't like that sound. All right, we're in our fifth minute. We've got 5,794,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 374, Nas down 132, S&P down 27.
Can you recenter your 5 minute and your Heikenasi chart there? I'm trying to compare
Oh,
what mine is
yes.
looking like now.
Yes. There we go. Price trying to cross VWAP here.
Okay, yours seem to be pretty close matching mine now again. So I was doing some on-demand stuff, but I didn't think that should have changed my charts when I came back.
No, that shouldn't.
So I don't know what was going on there.
All right, we're okay now.
I think so. Yeah.
Good. All right, I'm going to put a, pseudo demand zone on the bottom of this first 5 minute candle right there. There we go. And price kind of stalling here. Price coming down again, heading toward the pseudo demand zone. Getting some long wicks on our 5 minute candles.
Micah said that there was a Cloudflare outage causing some issues. So
Yes.
maybe that's what we were seeing, some problems, issues.
Yes, that's affected some other software um, on for me this morning. Thank you, Micah. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 602 on the put side here.
We do have a supply zone in there too.
Yes, we do. Let's add that in.
I'm glad I mentioned that because I was just about ready to enter that put trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking tempting.
I'm going to go ahead and try to do that put trade here.
Okay.
Where's my number? So my
All right. 602 on the put side. Stand by. All right. I'm going to try to get in, and I did at 452.
boy,
Wow.
I
Then it
passed
just jumped
by.
to 475. Pass you by.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. Okay. I got out at 494. Wow.
Let me try to get in on this again here. Pass me by again. Huh. Let me see here. 602. I'm going to do the 601.
601 on the put side.
The
601
put
is pretty
side.
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Boy, it's just moving so fast. It's passing me by.
Wow.
All right. So what did that? 455.
Okay. Chart centered up here. You're in the 601, Keith?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm going to see if I can come up here a little bit more and get some profit here. Are you going to fill? And it filled. All right.
Go.
So 455 to 496.
All right.
I don't know why I couldn't get in on a number of those, but maybe the internet issue or
Yeah.
something.
But it waited long enough for you before it turned.
Yeah, 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 golly. Turning the other direction, got out at the right time on that.
Indeed. We got already got 10 million 350,000 traded on the underlying, which is 15 minutes into the session. That's a lot of volume.
What's going on here? Oh, that's strange.
What's that?
When I reloaded things, I thought I was trading 10 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
When I reloaded things, it only did 3 contracts.
Oh,
Oops, pooey.
uh,
Anyway, got that changed back now.
and by the way, folks, I'm trading 20 contracts a day. All right, so we got a first trade in. Nice trade to start out the day. Let's see. Maybe working on a real demand zone here.
Crazy Ivan on that last candle.
Yeah. Yep.
MACD's getting down low, almost minus zero point 0.1.
Yes, it is.
But
Now, just because it's getting low on the MACD doesn't mean that it won't go further. I mean, it
yep,
absolutely can and will. It just means that we're closer to a dramatic turnaround. So you have to consider that when considering a trade. Kind of like what it's doing right now.
that 5 minute MACD's a pretty steep downward line, though.
Yeah.
And 1 minute isn't far from it. All right, what do we got going here?
And even though price is climbing right now, I'm not really interested in a call trade with the broader indices being down as far as they are. I'd like to see a reset on the 1 minute before we consider another put trade. Price still declining, slowing down a little bit, trying to turn around here and there. At 12,556,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is now down 416, Nasdaq down 255, S&P down 48.
And what's your volume again?
My volume is 12,642.
Mine's 14 million.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, like I did. Let's do Qs instead, huh?
Ah, that would explain some things.
That certainly would. What was I trading? No, I was trading the Qs. There we go. Now that makes more sense.
Oh, good. Price still selling off here. Our 1 minute MACD is already down to negative 1.5. That is way low.
I wondered why my option chain was the deltas were all whacked up because I was on the wrong thing.
Ah,
I think I'm on it now.
that'll do it. But you traded Q, right?
I did trade Q, yes. So my charts were Q, but my option chain wasn't.
Oh,
To see if I changed anything else from the last time I saved it too. It's a good reminder to make sure you save it occasionally. Your workspace.
yeah. Yep, absolutely.
That's all good there.
Price continuing to sell off. Wow. Down to negative 1.7 on the 1 minute MACD. 5 minute MACD is down to negative 1.8 and continuing to dive.
And we've got 2.5 minutes to the pop at the top here.
Okay.
Those two reports coming out.
Price trying to climb out of the hole here, but trying to get some feet under it.
But we don't have a real demand zone yet here either.
No, we don't. Wow. We have come way down in price. Let's see where we start at. 600.
All right, 1 minute till the pop.
Okay.
Boy, market makers are seeing something that they want to fill that warehouse up like crazy.
Mm-hmm. Less than 10 for the pop. Here it comes. There's the pop. We're in the pop. Boy. Price still selling off. We're down to negative 2.1 on our 1 minute MACD. 5 minute is down to negative 2.6. It is extremely low.
Yeah, particularly on the 1 minute. It's nuts.
This will snap back at some point.
Cloudflare evidently has been resolved. Problem.
Oh, good. Okay, excuse me, 1 minute. Be right back. Okay, see, we're still selling off. Dow is down by 605 now. Nas down by 431. S&P down by 86. We've got 18,400,000 traded on the underlying. Tremendous volume. Everything is way over 100,000 a minute.
Probably going to take a while to get this thing really turned around.
Yeah. I'm going to just keep an eye on the call side at the 592 on the call side.
You were looking over my shoulder, weren't you?
I was. I was. It's true. All right. 592. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and get into this 592 if I can.
495.
Yeah, I finally got in. 490.
Hello.
I'm going to take some profit here. Ah,
Come on, get on it. Back up there. Come on, get on up there. Okay, I just got out. Wow, jumped up quick. Um, Out at 537, in at 495.
all right. I got out at 528, 490 to 528. Took a minute to get out of that, but finally took it.
Got 42 cents on that.
Mm-hmm. That's 38 cents.
So two trades up 83 cents. By the way, we do have a demand zone in there now.
Hey, we sure do. Nice tight agreement, too. Let's put that in. There we go.
Watching the 596 on the put side.
That sounds good. 596 strike put.
Go ahead and try to get in on this. 459.
And got in. Wow, 471. Yuck.
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Come on back down.
It's a pain when it moves it that fast,
Yeah.
that far, that fast. Come on, down you go.
Come on down. Come on, let's break through the demand zone.
I'm going to try to get 30 cents on this. And it did. 459 to 489.
Nice. Come on, break through the demand zone. Now, come on down.
Now the Dow is down 630 now, Nasdaq's down 403, and S&P's down 81. 23.2 million underlying traded.
Mm. Now, come on down. Come on down. Turn you.
Wow. I'm going to look at the 594 on the call side
Okay.
and 429.
And in as well.
One minute MACD's gone back to center range. 5 minute one's getting close to crossing.
I'm going to take some profit here. Out at 428.
What did you get in at?
404.
Oh boy, much better than I got in. I'm going to try to get 30 cents on this here. And there it did, 30 cents,
All right.
429 to 459.
Now I need it to come down.
Yeah, absolutely. What's up? Hmm? What? What you need? Hmm? What? Okay. Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Well,
Hi, pretty one.
he is a pretty one, and he knows it.
And he knows it. That's right.
There you go, Tim's. Get down there for you.
Yeah. Come on.
I've had 4 trades up $1.42.
Nice.
What do you need? I'll be back.
Okay. Come on down. Come on.
That's not going down, Tim.
No, it's not.
Oh, there it is. Okay. 1 minute MACD's up above zero point 0.5. Trying to turn down, coming down there a little bit. 5 minute MACD though is just now trying to cross going up.
So we got 26,476,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 538, Nasdaq down 328, S&P down 65. Still in this put trade.
That was the 596, right?
596, yes.
Okay. And you got in like 404?
596, no, 471.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. It's got a ways.
And we are a little over an hour into the trading, 26.9 million underlying traded. Dow is down 519. Nasdaq's down 323, and S&P's down 63. And I'm likely done trading for the morning unless something really spectacular jumps out.
I understand. Oh, come on down. Come on, crazy Ivan.
By the way, those interested in what some statistics are, this week I'm up $2.05 on 2 days of trading. For the month, I'm up $10.38.
Nice.
And as Tim's talked before, you don't have to trade a lot of contracts. If I'm trading 10, 38, 10 contracts, that's up $10,380.
Mm-hmm.
And we're only a little over halfway through the month.
So fantastic month.
Yeah.
Not quite that far, but I am trading more contracts.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it kind of evens out to a degree. Come on down.
We've definitely had much better results that I've been following the MACDs a little bit more closely as the primary entry and exit.
Yes.
And not only getting in at the right time, but staying in longer in them too when the MACD indicates that.
Yeah, we have been getting higher per trade profits for sure, which is a great trend considering where we started.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, I don't want to jinx this, but it seems to be Q seems to be a little bit better to trade lately.
Yeah. Yeah, Q's been moving nicely.
Definitely been more volatile, that's for certain. All right, you might be getting closer, Tim, there.
Yep. Yep. Break through that demand zone. Not up, not up. Yeah, come on down. Come on down. Just tremendous volume we've gotten this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, keep pushing. Come on down. Not that direction. That's a crazy Ivan. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on. Stop fooling around and let's get down there.
I just turned my thermostat down, Tim, to hopefully it'll draw it down.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
But the MACD's been stuck in a narrow range here for the last 10 minutes or so.
Yeah. Just in a big messy middle right here. Still, all our volume is above 100,000, although it's slowing down a little bit.
Yeah, many of those candles have been well over 200,000.
Mm-hmm. Come on, price, just let go.
There we go. Come on, get on down there.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Come on, keep going, keep going. Let's break on through.
You just trying to break even?
Yeah, yeah, I'm almost there. No, 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 no. Stay down here. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Go back into the messy middle. Dow is down 605 now. Nas down 403. S&P down 81. Come on down.
Carlos, I answered your question this morning or just now. Hopefully you saw that. Um, the amount at risk is based on the option prices. So with the option prices this morning, the four trades were between 429 and 495. 10 contracts would be 4,290 to 4,950 per trade based on the prices this morning on 10 contracts. Hopefully that helps. Yeah, Carlos, it is funny. It's how do we make money with the market going down? It's because we're doing puts when it's going down.
Yep.
And so it goes the opposite. If you think of it like a seesaw, when the price goes down on a put on the opposite side, the option price goes up. So that's how we do making money when the market goes down. Absolutely. And it's one of those amazing things that yeah, it's a terribly red day today, but we're making good money today because we're doing puts. Although I did do one call early on that it was going up, but now I guess the last one was a call also. So I've done half calls, half puts.
Yeah, that is one of the great things about options is that we make money both ways. What a great country we live in.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, Carlos, Tim can have a private session with you to help you a little bit more on that. If you want to do that, just reach out to him.
Actually, I believe we have one scheduled. Let's look at yep, tomorrow we have one scheduled, Carlos, with you and me at 12:30. Come on down. Come on down.
One of the things I would recommend, Carlos, is also go on the on-demand trading, which is sort of like paper trading. Pick a section where the price is going down on a date, and on your active trader, pick a put and watch the chart on the put and see how it goes just the opposite of what you would normally think. You may want to show him how to do that tomorrow, Tim.
Mm-hmm. Come on, price. Come on down. Okay, gang, we are at the top of the hour. I'm still in this trade almost to break even. This just comes down a little bit further, but I'm going to keep an eye on this. But that's it for this morning. I think without this trade, I'm up near $1, I believe. This trade is profitable. I'll get up over $1. But anyway, I hope you all had a good morning trading. And we will do this again tomorrow morning. Keith, thank you, sir.
Yep. I had 4 trades up $1.42 today, so a fantastic day for me, and hopefully you did well too. Anyway, thanks, Tim.
All right. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you all tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. Bye.